hey, Daddy.
Oh, hello, son. How are you?
Oh, I'm okay, thank you. Daddy.
Yes, son.
Where do babies come from?
Babies come from?
Yes, Daddy, where do babies come from?
That's a very inappropriate question for a child of your age.
Oh, but we were at school and everyone was talking about it and they were saying that a weird bird comes and then it like drops the baby off. But I thought that sounded really stupid. So I told everyone, you're stupid, that's not where babies come from. But then they were like, oh, but where did the babies come from then? And I didn't know. And now they don't like me.
Oh, I'm sorry, son. Look.
So where do they come from?
Look, if you really want to know...
Yes, I do.
Then I'll tell you.
Okay, come on, tell me. Tell me.
So when mummies and daddies
Yes.
love each other very much,
yes.
they go to
the
orphanage.
What? What's the orphanage?
The orphanage is where all of the unwanted children are kept.
All of the unwanted children?
Yes, where all of the children whose parents didn't love them enough.
What?
Because they're very bad parents.
What? No. What? Daddy, you're saying I'm from the orphanage?
Yes, son, you are from the orphanage.
What? Oh, no, I don't. But that means I was unwanted.
Yes, I'm sorry, son, but I want you. Oh, no. I want you so much.
What?
Yes, I love you so much. I went to the orphanage and I picked you.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you were my favourite.
Oh, yeah.
You see, it's like competition, you see. So the parents go to the orphanage and they choose their favourite child and take them home with them.
But what happens to the other ones?
Well, and the other ones stay in the orphanage
no.
but only until another parent comes and picks them.
Oh, that's so horrible. Oh, I know, Daddy. Can we go back to the orphanage? Come on.
Why, son?
Oh, because I want to go back and I want to get all the other children and then they can be my brothers and sisters. And then they'll all be wanted and it'll be all really good.
Zan, I really appreciate the enthusiasm, but there's not enough room here.
Oh, we can get a bigger house.
I don't have the money for a bigger house.
Oh, yes, we have to get more jobs.
You
can work every hour of the day and then I can have 20 brothers and sisters and it'll be great. And then I can play all sorts of fun games.
But I can't look after you and your children. See, that's the problem, son. But don't worry, son. All the children in the orphanage will eventually get picked.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because what parent wants from a child will be different from parent to parent.
Oh, yes, okay. Yes,
some parents will pry on the internet, and some people like the looks more and strength. So there's lots of parents going around for the children to be homed.
Okay.
So don't worry, son.
But Daddy.
Yes, son.
Why haven't I got a mummy? You're my daddy, but where's my mummy?
Well, you don't have a mummy because I'm not with a woman, but I'm your mummy and daddy.
Oh.
You get two parents in one.
Wait, okay. Hello, mummy.
Call me daddy.
No, you're not my mummy.
No, call me daddy.
You're mummy and my daddy, so you're my Maddie.
No, call me daddy.
Dummy?
No, call me mum.
Yes, daddy and mummy, that's right. Yes, daddy first, mummy afterwards. Dummy.
No, I'm not. Yes. No, call me daddy.
Yes, I love you, dummy.
Oh, I love you too, son.
Okay, I'm gonna go and tell all the other children where babies come from now, so they like me again. Okay,
son.
Yes, okay, love you, dummy. Bye.
Son, don't tell them.
Okay,
no.
Guys. Hey, guess what? My daddy told me where babies come from. Yes, you're all from the orphanage. Yeah, the orphanage. That's where all the unwanted children are from. We're all unwanted.
What have I done? Oh dear.